There are benefits to Fiber 35 that go way beyond the weight loss effect. Eating 35 or more grams of fiber a day will help you reduce your chances of having a heart attack. Studies show that each 10 grams of fiber that you increase will decrease your risk of a heart attack by 14%. Fiber will help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Fiber will reduce your chances of diabetes. Again, studies show that a 10-gram increase of fiber will reduce your chance of developing diabetes by 26%. That is 26%, that is huge. Fiber will help you maintain bowel regularity. And fiber will improve your immunity, and fiber will reduce your chances of cancer. Fiber has been shown to be helpful in the prevention of colon, stomach, pancreatic, and even breast cancer. That fiber is nothing but a laxative for senior citizens. Now, can fiber help you with regularity? Sure it can, but taking 35 grams of fiber daily does not mean you're going to be going to the bathroom all day. It is not that kind of laxative. Fiber is actually a bulking agent, which is like a laxative, can contribute greatly to bowel elimination. Another big misconception is that fiber tastes bad, and it's like eating cardboard. And a little later in the show, I'm going to be showing you just how untrue that really is. Fiber foods are delicious, and fiber supplements today are not like drinking sand. Fiber is found naturally in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains. Luckily, the world is waking up to the power of fiber. Why? Because fiber-rich foods are loaded with health-giving nutrients. Fiber foods offer two types of dietary fiber, soluble and insoluble. So I want to examine the difference between them. Soluble fiber dissolves and breaks down in water. Soluble fiber is like a sponge in that it's very, very absorbing. Soluble fiber absorbs bile in the intestinal tract. Now, the body uses bile like a freight train to carry out excess cholesterol, excess estrogen, old red blood cells, and toxins out of the body. By absorbing the bile, soluble fiber helps carry all of these waste out of our body. And in doing so, soluble fiber is the type of fiber that can help lower cholesterol. It is also the type of fiber that helps regulate your blood sugar. Soluble fiber absorbs most of the calories in the fiber flush effect. Insoluble fiber does not break down in water. This is the type of fiber that helps promote regularity by adding bulk and resistance for the colon. Where I grew up, we called it roughage. It's like a broom that sweeps the colon clean, like this. And by adding the bulk, it stimulates the contraction of the colon, moving waste toward bowel elimination. It also helps control the bacterial balance of the colon, which is very, very important. We need both types of these fibers in our diet. However, during Fiber 35, you'll want more of the soluble fiber so that you can excrete more calories in this fiber flush effect. Foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole brands, whole grains, seeds, and nuts have both soluble and insoluble fiber, just as Mother Nature intended us to get.